Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut Saving Vaults, a feature designed to help you save money effortlessly. To get started, you will need a Revolut account. If you don't have one, download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your account balance and transactions. To access the Saving Vaults feature, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Saving Vaults from the drop-down menu. Next, you will be prompted to create a new vault. Choose a name for your vault and set a target amount you want to save. You can also add a note to remind yourself what the vault is for. For example, you might create a vault called Holiday Fund with a target amount of $1,000. Once you have created your vault, you can start saving money into it. To do this, go back to the vault's dashboard and select the vault you just created. Then tap on the Add Money button and choose the amount you want to deposit. You can also set up a recurring transfer from your main account to your vault. One of the key benefits of Revolut Saving Vaults is the ability to round up your purchases and save. To enable this feature, go to the vault settings and toggle on the roundup option. For example, if you spend $3.50 on a coffee, $0.50 will be transferred to your vault. Another useful feature of Revolut Saving Vaults is the ability to earn interest on your savings. To enable this feature, you will need to upgrade to a paid Revolut plan. Once you have done this, you can earn interest on the money in your vault. To track your progress and stay motivated, you can view the vault's dashboard at any time. Here you will see a graph showing how much you have saved and how close you are to reaching your target. You can also set reminders and notifications to help you stay on track. In summary, Revolut Saving Vaults are a great way to save money effortlessly. By following these steps, you can create a vault, set a target amount, and start saving money. Remember to take advantage of features like rounding up your purchases and earning interest on your savings to maximize your savings potential. With discipline and patience, you can reach your savings goals and achieve financial stability.